What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Cajun RNEWBBQ. Hope you're doing fine. I'm making it myself. Today is another episode of Bartending with Bones. Thank you for joining me. Today, we're going to do up Cinco de Mayo. Or Cinco de Mayo, however you want to say it, fine by me. Don't matter. Just play it by ear. Today, that's the drink you're going to do. It's Cinco de Mayo. It involves some tequila, lime juice, and grenadine. Just those three ingredients. Let's begin. First thing you need, fill your glass up halfway with some cracked ice. Get you a shaker cup, again about halfway with cracked ice. Go ahead and open that up now. The recipe calls for año tequila. I don't have any in stock right now. Next best thing I've got is some reposado tequila. So that's what we're going to use. It calls for 2.5 ounces. So we've got our jigger. We're going to use the bigger end. That's 1.5 ounces. So that's 1. And I'm just going to make them 2. So that's going to be 3 ounces right there. Just play it safe. We're going to do it that way. Now, for your lime juice, I just want mine a little stronger. That's all. It calls for 1 ounce. So, again, the bigger end, about 3/4 of the way full. There you go. And then now for your grenadine, calls for just a splash. There we go. My family of geese have decided to join me today, so if you hear them in the background, they're just watching me do my thing. Go ahead, shake it up. Pour it out into your glass. Look at that color. Nice red hue. Cheers, everybody. I'm not normally a tequila man, but this drink right here, very nice. Got a little bit of tequila flavor. Then you've got a nice little punch from the lime juice. Nice little sour note. Then that grenadine with the sweetness hits you right after that. Just rides the wave. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you and have a good day.